Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bitform to OpenAI using Bitflows. Bitflows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bitflows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to generate an image generation prompt in OpenAI using Bitform. I will use Bitform as a trigger node to send a message and interact with OpenAI. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Bitform as a trigger. Next, let's add Bitform as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Bitform, Submit Success as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from Bitform. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Bitform trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add OpenAI as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select OpenAI, Generate an Image as the action from the pop-up. Next, select an OpenAI connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with OpenAI. To get your API key, visit the OpenAI API Keys settings page. Now, click on the Create New Secret Key button and complete the secret key creation process. Once your secret key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now go back to the Bitflows builder and paste it into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your OpenAI node is now successfully connected to Bitflows. Now, select the OpenAI model from the drop-down options that you want to use for this integration. Next, enter the image generation prompt that you want to send to OpenAI, or you can also map the available fields from the Bitform response to the image generation prompt field. Now, select the desired image size from the available options in the drop-down menu. Then specify the quality of the image that you want to generate. Next, choose the image style from the drop-down options, such as Vivid or Natural. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Bitform. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bitflows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in OpenAI node. Here, you will receive a dynamic, AI-generated response based on your configuration. Step 5. Verify the generated image in ChatGPT. Finally, open your ChatGPT dashboard. Here you will see that a new image has been successfully generated in your ChatGPT account, based on the information or prompt you provided. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.